Alright, here is a t-test problem. Soda company wants to claim that a machine will fill up any bottle with 20 ounces of soda. We feel as though the machine is underfilling bottles. We take a random sample of 30 bottles that have an average of 11.85 ounces with a standard error of 0.4 ounces. Is the machine underfilling bottles at a 5% level? So, first of all, we always start out with population. In this case, it would be soda bottles from the machine. And we would have a parameter mu equals average ounces of soda per bottle. Now, since we don't know the standard deviation of the machine, this is how we know this is a one sample t-test. And they gave us the appropriate level of alpha equals 0.05. My null hypothesis is mu equals 20. And my alternate hypotheses, if they're underfilling, I'm going to do this one-sided, so mu is less than 20. So now we're going to check our conditions. Well, we got an SRS, said we were doing a random sample of the bottle, so we're going to take it as its word. Independence. We got 30 times 10, which equals 300, which is less than the total number of bottles. And I'm sure that a machine would have over the course of its lifetime. And normality, 30 is just big enough for us to use the central limit theorem. So we're going to say that this is approximately normal. So we know that the mean of x bar is equal to 12. Sigma of x bar is equal to 0.4 over the square root of n, which was 30. And we got an x bar of 11.85. And we're going down in that direction. So what does t equal? 11.85 minus 12 over 0.4 divided by the square root of 30. So t equals negative 2.053. And what is the probability that t is less than negative 2.053? And remember, when we do degrees of freedom, we're always doing n minus 1. So we got 30 minus 1. So my degrees of freedom is 29. So we're using our TCDF here from negative infinity to negative 2.053 with our 29 degrees of freedom, which gives us an answer of 0.025. Now, since that is less than 0.05, which is our alpha, we have to come up with our conclusion. We reject the null hypothesis. We have evidence, to suggest that the bottles are being underfilled in this machine. And that's a t-sample, t-test.